Welcome to day 2 of the letter Q. Today we're going to be starting off by adding that inline right in between your outer borders of every section of your Q. Make sure that your pencil is nice and sharp for this, or you can always use a lead pencil so that you have just a very small line that you're working from. Again, it will be easiest if you give yourself some guidelines. So look at the distance between 2 points, the outer 2 points, and draw a little mark right in between. You want to do this all the way through your letter. Once you have your guidelines, you can go through and start to connect those so that you create a strong midline right through the middle of your letter. You can always turn the page as you go to help get that nice smooth line all the way through. Now, you might have thought that doing that inline was going to be easy, but because there are so many curves, I'm sure that it took you your creative minutes from today. Tomorrow, we're going to be going in and adding shadow to give depth and dimension, like this is actually a line in the center that's closer to the viewer than the rest on the outside, like it's a folded piece of paper.